Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Children, today we will study chapter 8 of English literature. Chapter 8. What is the name of our chapter, children? By seeing this picture, can you guess what is the name of our chapter? The name of our chapter is The Selfish Giant. Children, can you tell me who is a giant? Who is a giant? A giant is a person of very great size or force. Once again, a giant is a person of very great size or force. A giant is a person who is very tall in size, who is very tall in size with more power, more strong, who has so much of power. Children, now let us introduce ourselves with the characters of the story. The first character in the story is giant, and the second character, children. So, children, with the name itself, we can guess this chapter is about a giant who was very selfish. Long time ago, there was a beautiful garden, and children used to play in that garden daily. There were many trees, flowers, fruits, birds, butterflies, etc. Now, can you tell me who was the owner of that garden? Who the garden belongs to whom? This giant. This giant was the owner of that garden. Now, children, I'll tell you some part of the story in short. One afternoon, when the children were playing in the garden, they saw a big, ugly giant with red eyes. He said the children to go out of the garden, to go out of his garden. So the scared children, frightened children, ran out of the garden as fast as they could. So, children, do you want to know what happened afterwards? Yes. So, children, for that, we have to read out this interesting story to know what all happened next. Let's read out. Long ago, there was a beautiful garden in our town. Children, very long ago, in a long time back, there was a beautiful garden in a town. It was full of flowers, many kinds of trees, and fruits. In the garden, there, there were many flowers. You can see here in the picture also, children. There were many flowers. Many kinds of trees were there. Like this, fruits were there in that garden. Butterflies and bees flew in the garden. Again, butterflies and bees flew in the garden. Who flew in the garden? Butterflies. You can see here, children. Butterflies, bees flew in the garden. It was home to many birds. It was home to many birds. This garden was the home of many birds. It means many birds lives in this garden. Okay, children. Next para. What happened? One day, the children of the town discovered the garden. One day, the children of the town found a garden. Found this garden. They were surprised and delighted to see such a beautiful garden. Again, they were surprised and delighted to see such a beautiful garden. Children were very astonished, very amazed, very shocked to see such a beautiful garden. They were very happy. They were very happy children. What is the meaning of surprised? Shocked. What is the meaning of delighted? Happy. Discovered means to find out. They started playing there daily. They started playing there daily. Children used to play in that garden daily. Now the garden rang out with the laughter and chatter of the children. Again, now the garden rang out with the laughter and chatter of the children. Now, what happened, children? The garden was filled with the laughter, the happiness, their smile, and gossip, you can say, and the talking between each other. The children used to talk there, they play there. You can see the laughs of the children in that garden. Here, chatter means gossip. The trees, flowers, fruits, birds, and butterflies were also happy to see the children. Again, the trees, flowers, fruits, birds, and butterflies were also happy to see the children. Who were happy to see the children? Trees were happy by seeing the children. Flowers were happy. Birds were happy. Butterflies were happy. Bees were happy to see so many children playing in the garden. One afternoon, when the children entered the garden to play, they saw a big, ugly giant with red eyes and a fat nose. Once again, one afternoon, when the children entered the garden to play, they saw a big, ugly giant with red eyes and a fat nose. One afternoon, children, when the children entered the garden, when they entered the garden, whom they saw? They saw a big, ugly giant who has red eyes and a fat nose. They saw this creature, this tall person, this giant in the garden. He said, "Get out of my garden." Who said, who is here, children? This giant. This giant said the children to get out, to go away from his garden. You cannot play here. He said that you are not allowed to play in this garden. The Scared children ran away as fast as they could. The scared children ran away as fast as they could. Children, what happened? The scared children, the frightened children ran away. They went out. They ran away out of the garden as fast as they could. The giant put a board in front of the garden which read, "Trespassers will be prosecuted." Again, the giant put a board in front of the garden which read, "Trespassers will be prosecuted." Here, children, trespassers will be prosecuted means that no one is allowed to enter the garden without permission. He put a board like this. Without permission, no one is allowed to enter his garden. Understood, children? Till here? So, the words which I have underlined, these words you have to learn. So, children, till here, revise this video thoroughly. And next part of the story, we will study in the next video. Thank you.